In this video, we're converting the Canon 1100D T3 X50 to full spectrum. The camera uses plastite and machine screws of different lengths, so it's important not to mix them up. The best approach is to organize the screws in containers or place them carefully on a table if you're confident they won't get mixed up. On the bottom of the camera, you'll find 2 short machine screws, 1 long machine screw, and the rest are plastite screws. On the left side, there are 3 machine screws, while the right side has 2 plastite screws. On the back, there are 2 short machine screws and 1 long machine screw that's used for viewfinder adjustment. This camera is one of the easiest to convert, so you shouldn't run into any major issues. The back is connected to the logic board with 2 ribbon cables. To disconnect them, gently move the latch for each cable and pull them out carefully. For some ribbon cables, I prefer using a cocktail stick because using a screwdriver could scratch the logic board or main PCB. It's a good idea to insulate the flash capacitor with electrical tape just to be safe. The logic board is secured with 3 short machine screws and 2 plastite screws on the right side. For the sensor screws, all of them are plastite. After separating the black frame, you can put the sensor back in. In this case, no shims are needed because they were all the same thickness, so no additional correction is required. For the 3 short logic board screws, I recommend applying a small amount of universal glue. This helps ensure they don't loosen over time. When reassembling, there's a black cable for the flash sensor that needs to be reconnected using tweezers. If this cable isn't connected, the camera will display an error whenever the flash is used. At the end, reconnecting the 2 ribbon cables can be a bit tricky, especially the wide one. You'll need to push it in firmly to secure it properly. Once everything is reassembled, the camera should power on without any issues, and you'll be ready to take infrared photos.